If you've been posting videos and wondering why your channel is not growing, you are stuck at 10 views, 20 views, or even 300 views, and your subscriber counts have refused to increase, and you're wondering why others keeps growing and you are stuck, then stop scrolling. In this video, I'm going to be revealing 5 little known YouTube hacks that actually works in 2025. Now, these are not regular tips like be consistent, use hashtags. These are deep algorithm-based growth triggers, and small creators are currently using them to grow their channel. So grab your pen, because after watching this, you will know exactly what to start doing now to grow your channel faster than before. Hi and welcome back to Debby Tutorials Academy. This is your first time here. My name is Deborah, and on this channel, I teach you how to grow, monetize, and build a brand here on YouTube, even if you're starting from zero. And thank you for clicking on this video. Do well to like, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification bell so that anytime I upload new videos, you're going to get notified. And thank you so much if you've been coming to watch my videos. I see your work and I see how you've been supporting my channel. I started this channel 3 months ago, frustrated, confused, and thinking YouTube only favors big creators. Then I decided to study the YouTube algorithm, and guys, my videos started getting recommended, showing up in browse features and YouTube search. And with all this, I don't even have to share my videos to friends and family just to get views. My videos are literally shown in front of the right audience. And this is because I've come to understand the YouTube algorithm. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly what I did that made YouTube to start recommending my videos to the right places. Now, let's start with something that most creators ignore. And this is nothing but the interest chain strategy. You need to understand that the YouTube algorithm does not just reward videos. It simply rewards patterns of behavior. If a viewer watches one of your videos and then decides to go on to watch another of your video and then goes on to watch another and another one, the YouTube algorithm will simply match your channel as addictive. What do I mean by this? It's going to send a signal to the YouTube algorithm that there's something about this channel that is attracting people. For someone to watch this video and then decides to watch another video, it simply means that that video is interesting. It simply means that that creator knows her onions. It simply means that this creator is going to help us make more money on this YouTube space. Because the truth is, YouTube is a business platform. YouTube is only going to push videos that people are watching, because it is when people are watching your videos that they're going to be seeing adverts that YouTube is placing on videos. If YouTube says that a particular channel, people are not really watching their videos very well, YouTube will not push that video, because they also do not want to lose in their business. So as long as you are creating quality content that someone will finish watching your video and then still go ahead to watch another video from your channel, that's just the green light. It's a huge, beautiful signal. Now, this is what we call the interest chain. So instead of just creating random unrelated content like how to edit videos today, and then tomorrow you post videos of morning routine, and then the next day you post affiliate marketing tips, instead of just creating random videos like I've just mentioned, why not create videos that are related, videos that are chained together in such a way that by the time someone finishes watching a particular video, YouTube is going to go to your channel and search for a related video and then pops it up and then recommend it. That is just how recommendation works. YouTube will not recommend a content that is not related to whatever is on your channel. Create a chain of videos that connect. For example, you can create a video like how to grow your YouTube channel using YouTube Shorts. Then the next video you're going to create, you do something like why your YouTube Shorts are dropping and how to fix it. Then if you now want to create another video, you do something like how to turn short viewers into subscribers. See how related they are. Tell me why somebody will finish watching the first one and will not want to watch on the second one, because obviously YouTube is going to show the next one to them instantly. This simply makes your subscribers or your viewers to binge watch your videos. Now, binge watching means that by the time you finish watching another one pops up and then they keep on watching it, increasing YouTube session time. And this is exactly what YouTube loves. YouTube loves binge watching, which helps to increase their session time and helps to grow their business. Because the more people stays on the YouTube platform, more YouTube rewards you with more recommendations, and the more you also get rewarded with more money, especially when you finally get monetized on YouTube or if you're already monetized. Now, a way to actually know if you are creating a quality content and to know if your subscribers actually love your content is to check through your YouTube analytics When you go to your YouTube analytics and then click on the audience side, now that audience side is going to show you your new viewers, your returning viewers. Focus more on the returning viewers. See, your subscribers are the most important part of your YouTube community because they are the ones that have subscribed to your channel. They are the ones that have turned on the notification bell. And YouTube works with them first of all, before even showing your videos to new viewers. So you need to ensure you satisfy your subscribers first of all. Your subscribers need to be happy with your content. Now, how does your content make your subscribers happy? If you're creating content that are valuable, such a way that anytime someone watches your video, there should be something they are learning from it. When you want to create content, it should not just be about what is going to be interesting to your ear. Think of how is this video going to benefit my subscribers before it will even benefit your new viewers. Because it is the first push in the first 2 hours that your real subscribers gives to you that will determine if YouTube is going to show the video to new viewers. I don't know if you get what I'm saying. Yes, your subscribers are so important that if they do not watch your video, there is no way YouTube is going to push it to more people. Now, how do you even know that YouTube is pushing your video to more people? It is when you check your impressions and you see that your impressions are climbing up. Let's say initially you used to have 100 impressions, because when you just start on YouTube and you don't have subscribers, people are not even seeing your channel already, your impression is going to be low. But by the time you start building a community, you start building subscribers, and your subscribers are then loving your videos enough to even watch it, to even create room for YouTube to send it to more people, that is when your impression is going to increase. And the moment your impressions start increasing, it means that new people are going to be seeing your videos. And how do you now determine if these new people are interested in your videos? It is when you check your impression click-through rates. I feel like you should always, check your YouTube analytics. It's going to give you enough insight about your audience behavior, your subscriber behavior, and to know if you are getting new viewers. Once your impression is increasing and your impression click-through rate is increasing as well, it's sending a signal to the algorithm that this person knows what she's doing. This person knows what he's doing. And YouTube will in turn reward you with more impressions. And as your impressions are increasing, you're going to be getting more subscribers and more watch time. And if your goal is to monetize your channel, in no distance time, you just see that you've hit the 4,000 watch time hours, you've hit the 1,000 subscribers milestone, and you're on your way to monetization. So don't just create content that are in series. Content that YouTube can actually recommend after they finish watching a particular content. Content that will bring viewers to come back to your channel. Content that will bring your subscribers to come back to your channel. Your returning subscribers, like I said, are the most important part of your community. Because if YouTube sees that subscribers keeps on returning to your channel, then it's a good thing. People should not just watch your video and just disappear. That is why building a brand on YouTube is actually very important. When you're creating your thumbnail, create a thumbnail that people will easily recognize you. Have your face on your thumbnail, that people will easily recognize you. Even if you are doing a faceless channel, have a face on your thumbnail. This is how to build a brand. And branding on YouTube help people to connect with you easily. Help people to know, oh, this is the creator, I watched her video and then I loved the video. Sometimes a subscriber can actually watch your video and when next they see your video on the home feed, they will not click on it. The face is not even recognizable. When I started my channel initially, I was just using normal pictures. I was not really using my pictures. I was just using random AI pictures. And if you check my videos way back, you're going to be seeing different faces. And that did not really help me until a creator actually reached out to me. And then she said, why not use your face on your thumbnail? God, I bless God for the day that creator reached out to me. And in fact, God will bless her anywhere she is. Like, she reached out to me and then advised me to use my face. And then I thought of it. I'm like, wow. And that actually changed everything for me. Like, if you watch my video right now and then you see my face on the next thumbnail and you enjoyed my video, I'm sure you will actually click on it because, okay, it will help you to know that, it will bring to your memory that this is Debby and I watched her video some time ago. Now, the next hack I'm going to be talking about is the CTR Amplifier. You could have the best video in the world, but if people do not click on the video, YouTube will simply bury that video. And by CTR, I mean click-through rates. And the number of your CTR will determine how far YouTube is going to test your video. Now, here is the trick. Do not just be interested in creating beautiful thumbnails. Create thumbnails that are curiosity-based. Thumbnails that screams click me because it has triggered something emotionally into somebody. Now, let me give you an example. Instead of just writing how to get views on YouTube, why not say the secret formula that made my channel blow up overnight? Or instead of saying how to grow your YouTube channel faster, why not say why small channels are blowing up in 2025 and you are not? These titles pose emotion, curiosity, surprise, and fear of missing out. And then your thumbnail just have to match the emotions, not the text. Now, for example, add your face, add a shocking face, and then just put an arrow that shows a graph that is rising, or simply a wow expression beside the YouTube logo. So if you go to your YouTube analytics, simply check your click-through rate. Like, what's the number of the click-through rate you get? Your click-through rate has to be at least 5% for the video, for YouTube to keep recommending that video. If your click-through rate is not up to 5%, then it is weak. Then if your click-through rate is 6 to 9%, then that's very decent. And then if you now manage to have a click-through rate of 10%, the way that video is going to blow up, it will even shock you, because 10% click-through rate is excellent. Now, a beautiful feature on YouTube right now is that you can actually test 3 thumbnails together. If you go to your YouTube Studio desktop version, you're going to see that, and then you want to do as if you want to upload your video, you're going to see that can I actually try 3 thumbnails at the same time. So if you want to upload your video, ensure you try 3 thumbnails. YouTube will keep on testing those thumbnails till it finally gets to a thumbnail that actually increases your click-through rate. And just ensure you keep on changing your thumbnail until you see the one that emotionally captures people's attention. Click-through rate is just the gateway to browse features. Once YouTube says that your click-through rate or your thumbnail is pulling crowds more than the videos of other people that have done that same topic, it will simply be showing it to more people. The third hack I'm going to be talking about is retention hook sandwich formula. Now, think of this as your secret formula for keeping people glued. A lot of creators, especially new creators, they lose viewers within the first 20 seconds. Either because they started slow, they talk too long, or take forever to get to a point. But here is what to do instead. Once you start your video, ensure you hook people. Simply start with a bold statement or a promise. Now, after your bold statement or a promise, dive straight into solving the problems. No unnecessary intro. And then while you're building that up, bring another hook. So just say something that is going to make them keep glued. You can simply say something like, keep following me to the end, because in a particular part of this video, I'm going to show you something that will shock you. Or you say something like, before I show you the biggest mistake that most creators make, the one that almost destroyed my channel, let's fix your title first. As you're showing them how to fix their title, they are waiting because they want to hear that one that creators don't know about and that actually broke your channel. Now, another tip is use virtual reading. Every 30 to 40 seconds, ensure you change your angle. Simply add text or overlays or cut it in a B-roll, because the human brain resets attention every few seconds. So this is why you need variety, because it simply keeps them glued and not lose attention. Again, simply go to your analytics and then check your audience retention. Once you are able to retain people from 60 to 70%, then it shows you're doing good. And by so doing, your video is automatically going to perform better in search features and browse features. Hack number 4, algorithm loop. Your short plus your long form combo. Now, YouTube now treats your long form video, your short form videos, and your live videos as a connected ecosystems. Now, this simply means that if you can get someone to move from one format to another, your visibility will simply skyrocket. So this is what you're going to do. Post a short that gives a quick teaser or simply a tip. And what you simply do is ask them to watch the full tutorial video on your channel, and then simply link your long form video in the comment section or description box of that video. And then in your long form video, simply say, if you saw my short form video, this is the long video. And this simply creates what we call content loop. Another thing you can actually do is to convert a 15-second part of your video into a short, and from there you connect your long form video and people can easily click it from the short feeds. And hack number 5. Comment trigger strategy. What a lot of people don't know is that the algorithm looks at engagement velocity, how fast people interact with your videos within the first few hours. And comments are the strongest forms of engagement. So instead of saying like and subscribe to my channel, why not ask them a question that sparks up engagement? You can say something like, which of these 5 hacks are you going to try first? What is the biggest challenge you are facing with your channel right now? You can ask a question like, do you agree that YouTube Short is the future of YouTube? Yes or no? And make sure you reply fast. Then YouTube is going to see that there is a conversation going on there and it will keep recommending that video. And do not forget to add pinned comments. I feel like I've said so much in this video. If you enjoyed this video, do well to like, subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload new videos like this, you're going to get notified. Thank you for watching. Bye.